Hi everyone, this is Brian McCloskey from NextGen Business Communication Training, and I'm really looking forward to our workshop on October 30th from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. The title of the workshop is Lead Business Meetings in English. So what will you learn? You'll learn the communication skills and professional language to lead a business meeting. You'll learn how to begin the business meeting by clarifying the objectives, describing the background, and explaining the expected outcomes of the meeting. You'll learn how to lead through the agenda. What does that mean? That means you'll introduce each agenda item, assign the item to one of the participants, and then summarize what you discussed and your decisions. Finally, you'll learn how to end your business meeting professionally. That means recapping what you covered. It means describing action points after the meeting, and it means thanking the participants. So what can you expect? You can expect an interactive positive learning experience. You'll work with small groups, you're in teams to complete learning tasks and to practice what you've learned. So by the end of this 3-hour workshop, you'll be able to professionally communicate and lead a business meeting in English. So I'm looking forward to seeing you all there. Remember, October 30th, 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. So please contact HR and book your place now. Bye.